What's up guys, Ivan here. So in this video I want to show you the difference between the A-Class and the B-Class. Both of these cars are in the same color, which is a polar white, and both of these cars have an AMG line package. So this is very good because you can see the difference between those two cars, and both of these cars have a night package as well. Only difference is that the B-Class has also the panoramic roof. So the roof is black, but this is as close as it gets to have almost two identical spec cars in both segments. So if you are wondering which car is better for you, I drove both cars. A-Class I'm driving for 7 miles, my A-Class in black color, and the B-Class I had a test drive for 2 hours. So I got pretty familiar with the car, and in many ways this is a similar car to the A-Class. You can check videos with the B-Class, the full review, and also the driving part with the car. So the difference is in the front stripes. The B-Class has like 2 stripes and the A-Class has 1 stripe, which is shaped differently. Also the B-Class has multi-beams and the A-Class has high performance LED headlights. The rims are the same, and also the tire size. So the biggest difference is that the A-Class is like a smaller car and B-Class is a larger car. You have a more headroom and overall you feel more spacious in the car, but also the seating position is different. The B-Class has more like a SUV seating. You're sitting more straight, and in the A-Class you sit more sporty. And also you can see the A-Class is lower than the B-Class. So the difference is huge in my opinion. So if you are considering which to get, for sure test drive the both and you can see then the difference between the cars. So my feeling was that the B-Class is more like a family car, suited more for family, and A-Class is more for single people or if you don't have a kids. So yeah, it's this is the main difference for me between those two cars. Also you have a little bit more space in the boot in the B-Class, but overall shape you can see the B-Class has larger windows on the side, and yeah, overall it's like a more inflated A-Class, as you can tell. And yeah, this is main difference. Also the A-Class looks more sporty, more aggressive, and the B-Class looks more like a family-friendly car. So yeah, this is a difference also. So seating position is huge, as I said, huge difference between those two cars. And also you don't have an integrated headrest in the B-Class, like you have in the A-Class. Also, if both cars are in the AMG line, you don't have the integrated headrest. So this is little difference as well. And overall, it's like B-Class is like a SUV, similar to SUV, but it's not SUV. So yeah, it's like similar. In many ways, it's similar to A-Class, and also it's like similar to SUV, but you don't sit as high as in SUV. Also will be new GLB, small compact SUV. Both cars share the same platform, so they are both on the same platform. They are just differently shaped, and also some parts are different, but basically it's the same platform for each of those cars. And in the rear we can see also the difference in the size. A-Class is much lower than the B-Class, but every feature and so is the same. So it's only difference in the size and in the looks, in the aesthetics of the vehicles. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Let me know if you liked it. Let me know if you have any more questions. Leave them in the comment section down below. Like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And guys, I will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.